Are you tired of sacrificing precious moments with your loved ones in exchange for a monotonous job that no longer ignites your passion? Picture this: the blissful embrace of laughter and joy, surrounded by the warm company of family and friends, while the sun-kissed waters of a luxurious resort beckon you to indulge in leisurely relaxation. It's a life you yearn for, isn't it? The realization has struck me like a bolt of lightning. I've squandered too many precious hours in relentless pursuit of financial gain, forsaking everything else that truly matters. But my friend, we need not endure the agony of toiling ceaselessly when our hearts yearn for the company of those we hold dear and the pursuit of our passions. With our help, you can easily learn new skills of digital marketing and enjoy more time freedom to spend with your loved ones, enjoying your favorite activities and hobbies. Today, I'm going to show you a better way. Learn how to set up online businesses that'll give you the freedom to do what you love when you damn well please. If you're eager to unlock the path to a better, more fulfilling existence, whether by embracing the world of online sales or revitalizing your existing business, simply click on the blue Learn More button located to my right for PC, around the video for mobile. Share your name and email address. Expect a stream of invaluable insights delivered directly to your inbox, illuminating the many ways in which you can enhance your quality of life through the wonders of online businesses. You're not alone if you regret trading so much of your time for money and sacrificing everything else in your life by living paycheck to paycheck. Imagine retiring and being able to spend all your time freedom living your passions. My father, who retired at 70, was eagerly counting down the days until his golden years of retirement. Destiny had other plans as his health began to deteriorate, leading to a series of surgeries. Trapped by immobility, he couldn't seize the moments that he longed for, of spending precious time with his family, those exclusive experiences that slipped away while he dedicated his existence to exchanging time for pursuit of wealth. Selling online isn't just a trend, it's a way of life. In today's broken economy with rising inflation and job losses rampant, traditional methods of earning a living no longer guarantee security. Thankfully, the internet provides a gateway to a global marketplace. Seize the opportunity to stand on the shoulders of giants and sell using the power of herd mentality. Don't let constraints hold you back. Building an online business may seem daunting. Perhaps you lack a product, time, or funds. Maybe marketing feels like an enigma to you. Picture this: an abundance of online products to sell, readily available suppliers for wholesale goods, and the ability to create a sales website in mere hours, then honing your messaging skills. With this arsenal of talents, an online business can be yours for the taking. Failure is simply not an option when you possess the willpower to persevere. You can acquire these skills while maintaining your current job, gradually transitioning to the income level you desire. Like countless individuals from various backgrounds and nationalities, you too can break from the constraints of a 9-to-5 routine and embrace the liberating world of digital skills. By mastering these competencies, you'll gain more time, greater financial rewards, and unparalleled fulfillment. Unlock the key to a life of your choosing where time freedom reigns supreme. We call this the modern wealthy lifestyle. Do you want quality time with loved ones, retirement, exotic travels, the ability to work from any corner of the world? Whatever your heart desires, the path to achieving it lies in mastering the principles of authority marketing. Click the blue Learn More button and embark on your journey toward modern wealthy living through the realms of authority marketing. Time waits for no one. Time is a valuable commodity. Don't let it pass you by. Act now and prevent future regret. If you wait, you'll stay in the same place you've been for years. Do it now. Click on the blue Learn More button.